Properties of lightweight concrete. 1. Density. The lightweight concrete density varies from 300 kg per meter cube to 1900 kg per meter cube. By using vermiculite, a concrete density has a low 300 kg per meter cube can be achieved by using sintered fly ash, slag, clay, etc. A concrete density 1900 kg per meter cube can be achieved. Second one is workability. Due to low density, the workability of concrete needs special attention. It can be improved by adding excess fine material, pozzolanic material, or using some admixtures like plasticizer. Third, unit weight. The lightweight concrete weight varies from 16 to 17.60 kN per meter cube, but some special cases may allow higher than 18.40 kg per meter cube. Fourth one is strength. The strength of lightweight concrete ranges from 0.3 Newton per meter square to 40 Newton per mm square. 0.3 Newton per mm square to 40 Newton per mm square. A strength up to 60 Newton per mm square can be obtained with very high cement content, that is 560 kg per meter cube. Generally 200 kg per meter cube to 560 kg per meter cube cement content is used. The ratio between tensile strength and compressive strength decreases with increased strength of lightweight concrete. Fifth one is abrasion resistance. The resistance to abrasion of lightweight aggregate concrete increases with compressive strength. Resistance can be improved by combining low density coarse aggregate with natural fine aggregate, improving the quality of concrete. Sixth one is fatigue resistance. Lightweight concrete is better suited to fatigue resistance than normal weight concrete. Seventh, thermal properties. Thermal, such as a thermal expansion, thermal conductivity of lightweight concrete are much less when compared to the normal weight aggregate concrete. Thermal insulations is about 3 to 4 times more than that of bricks and about 10 times than that of concrete. 8th, fire resistance. Lightweight aggregate concrete are more resistant to fire than normal weight concrete. The rise in temperature and the lower loss of strength. 9th, repairability. Lightweight cellular element can be easily sawn, drilled, nailed, which makes for easy construction and repairs. 10th one is economy. Due to the lightweight and high strength to mass ratio, the cellular products are quite economical.